If you want to maintain your privacy while using Trip.com, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to manage your online visibility. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Trip.com app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Privacy Settings. Click on it to access your privacy options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option for online status or show online status. Toggle this setting to off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you have made. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Trip.com, ensuring a more private experience.